Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's shaking up the AI world, Grok, the brainchild of Elon Musk's XAI. So what makes Grok different from other AIs you've used? Let's find out in just 3 minutes. First off, Grok has live internet access. This is a game changer. While other models might be working with data that's a year or two old, Grok can pull real-time information from the web. This means you can ask it about the latest news, stock prices, or breaking events, and it will give you up-to-the-minute answers. No more outdated information. Next, let's talk about personality. Grok is designed to be a bit rebellious, with a witty and even sarcastic sense of humor. If you're tired of dry, robotic answers, Grok offers a more engaging and human-like conversational experience. It's not afraid to crack a joke or give a sassy response, which definitely makes interacting with it more fun. But Grok isn't just about talk. It's a powerful multimodal tool. With Grok Vision, you can show it images, diagrams, or even screenshots, and it will analyze and understand them. Imagine taking a picture of your fridge and asking for a recipe. Grok can do that. It also supports text, documents, and even has voice recognition for hands-free input. For the tech-savvy folks out there, Grok is a beast. It's incredibly fast, handles long and complex conversations without losing track, and excels at code generation and logical reasoning. This makes it an invaluable assistant for developers debugging code or researchers analyzing complex datasets. One of its most unique features is its deep integration with the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. Grok can tap into the real-time pulse of X to understand current trends, discussions, and public sentiment. This is perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone who needs to stay ahead of the curve. So, who is Grok for? Whether you're a content creator looking for fresh ideas, a developer needing a coding partner, or a researcher tackling big questions, Grok has something to offer. It combines real-time data, a unique personality, and powerful multimodal capabilities into one impressive package. That's a quick look at Grok AI. It's shaping up to be a serious contender in the AI space with its unique blend of wit and power. What do you think about these features? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.